balloons. Nope. That's it. Look at me here, flying on the broom, make a doom as my big red balloon comes down. I got the string in my hand and inside of my wrist with the grips wanna fall on the ground. Real the thunder was a lightning, no stopping the flame going on in this place right now. Look around, it's your teammates sweatful, you get the ground, it's time to helium up now. Bringing down the name into when I float, you better listen to the motherfucking lyrics are wrong. Cause I'm a float when I pop you, rock your socks too. As you blow into the other, no friends to stop you. Man, I'm glad you go to 110 as you fall to the earth and bump your head, oh no. Somebody hit me a top number. Man, this is my balloon fight.
Balloon fight.
Taking out the room fight.
Balloon fight.
Man, are you a buffoon fight?
Balloon fight.
Will you a get well soon fight?
Balloon fight.
Look at me here, coming flying around the room, but dude, this big red damn balloon killing you and all your friends too. What the hell you gonna do? I think it is a point in the shark food. Just you know I got text in my shoes to the vault to the gun, I'm gonna shout, fuck you. This is the damn warning, that's my damn balloon, your dead body's not gonna be shark food. Read down there, jumping up close, you better listen to the motherfucking lyrics of cause I'm supposed to fleet you, make peace, you and two balloons 2 times and eat my cake too. I'm glad you're going to 150 as you fall to the earth and wreck your kidney, watch out. Run me hit you on top of the balloon on the lid of the pot. Man, this is my balloon fight.
Balloon fight.
Taking out the room fight.
Balloon fight.
Man, are you a buffoon fight?
Balloon fight.
Or you a get well soon fight?
Balloon fight.
This is my balloon fight.
Balloon fight.
Taking out the room fight. This guy's an asshole. Are you a buffoon fight? That thing's weighted.
Fight.
Or you a get well soon fight? Balloon fight.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to invite my friend up here. Where is he at? You guys know where Stefan is? Found right here? Yeah. When me and my friend Stefan get together, we like to do some things.
Gay shit?
No, man.
By the way, the balloons are my idea.
We're not gay. It's what I keep saying.
I wanted to tear this thing down, but I respected the hotel on his property.
Whatever. You want a balloon?
Whatever.
I got mine right here.
I was going to take yours, but I respected your property too, sir.
Balloon fight.
Hold on.
About respect.
Hey, look, can we pop your balloon?
Balloon fight. My 21st birthday balloon.
Is that a yes or a no?
Don't pop his balloon.
Hold on.
21st birthday.
Hold on, let's do it together. Come on.
Come on, get it. Pop it. Pop it.
Get it? He's not going to break it.
He sucks. Balloon fight.
Funny enough, that balloon actually said Brando on it. I seen it with my eyes. Before I popped it, I'm like, no, don't take that the wrong way.
Happy 25th.
I didn't mean that. Whoops. That's not the right song. This is the right song. Yeah! Charles Barkley. You guys want to hear my impression? I don't do this very often. Today, Charles Barkley, I play basketball. Playing stuff in, I said I'm a bad guy. You know, I wish you never played this game with me, bitch. Every time I do a free throw, it's a swish. Beat me at the half court, spell on my face. Look, the draws on like a meat fuck anyway. Shut up and jam it, that's the name of the game. And if you like to be a fun, they gon' tell you the same. But miles in the front, crowds in the back. Standing right here on the free throw, man. With the sweat on my brow, time to take it down. The name Charles Barkley, I wear the crown. 2 points on the board, the show. What you doing playing basketball, playing the floor? Starting phone, but we shut up and jam. Now what's that? Curly on my arm while I'm shooting shit.
Shooting the man, Sissoko. Taking the dime, the rubber arms, Sissoko. Doing it matrix time. Rhyming slow when you're too slow for the pros. You're in I'm so drunk right now, I can't even remember my lines.
Don't listen to this guy. You tried to screw my whole show up.
Right? Top white men can't jump, saddle up, show love, show love. It's 18 and up, pop up in the way, just do me a favor. Get better players or defense your neighbors. Take it to the house, take it to the yard. Back shake in, your face goes far. Stop, drop, and roll, show me your soul.
He's on fire.
I'm not.
Goals in the front, cross in the back. Standing right here
Run the free throw, man.
with the sweat of my brow as I'ma take it down. The name Charles Barkley, I wear the crown. 2 points on the board for sure. What you doing playing basketball? Clean the floor. Sunday phone, but they shut up and jam. Now what's next? Curly on my balls doing shooting your shit.
I'm sorry, Dwayne.
No, don't worry about it. Hey, you're a friend of mine. You didn't practice, and that's fine with me. Just next time, think about it. The Proto Men don't screw up. I've never